West Bengal Governor C.V. Anand Bose is on a two-day ground-level assessment visit post the Murshidabad riots. He met the victims of Murshidabad violence. Bose on Saturday also met family members of a man and his son who were killed during violence and assured them of all possible support. The bodies of the two, identified as Horogobind Das and Chandan Das, were found in their house in Jafrabad locality in Shamsherganj with multiple stab wounds. The governor, post his visit, also spoke with the media. Let's quickly take a listen.
What they need is, they said, we want justice, they will get justice. We want peace, they will have peace. Certainly we will do everything that is possible to give them a sense of security. So all their complaints I have listened to. I will analyze it. We have all our sympathetic understanding of what they want. We will do all our best to see that they get justice.
On Friday, Anand Bose visited the relief camps in Malda, where he met with the people who were forced to flee violence-hit Murshidabad district. Murshidabad saw violent protests over the Waqf law in the last few days, in which 3 people were killed and thousands were forced to flee. The governor stated that the Raj Bhavan's peace room continues to receive significant number of complaints from affected areas. He's also requested support from the Red Cross to expedite the relief work. The governor's visit is happening despite strong reservations from the state leadership, including Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee. The West Bengal governor addressed the violence-hit areas of Murshidabad and Malda, noting that the issue is persistent. NCW chairperson Vijaya Rahatkar, meanwhile, also visited affected areas of Dhulian in Murshidabad along with her team. After meeting the victims, the NCW chief said that the people are going through inhuman sufferings. She also said that their demands will be put forth in front of the government. During her visit, Rahatkar also went to the residence of the father and son duo in Jafrabad who were allegedly killed in the violence.
जिस क्षेत्र में मैं गई थी, लगभग मैं हर जगह पे मैं गई हूँ। मैं वहाँ की जो पीड़ित लोग हैं, विशेष रूप से महिला और बच्चे, उनको मैं मिली हूँ और ध्यान में आ रहा है कि उनके साथ बहुत अन्याय हुआ है, उनके साथ अत्याचार भी हुआ है और उनको जो पीड़ा है, ये पीड़ा की कोई लिमिट नहीं है, इतना उनको पीड़ा हो रही है, बहुत तकलीफ उन्होंने झेली है। मैं जो यहाँ पे आई हूँ वो उनको धैर्य देने के लिए आई हूँ, उनको विश्वास देने के लिए आई हूँ और वो अकेले नहीं है, उनके साथ हम सभी हैं, ये विश्वास उनको मैं देने के लिए मैं यहाँ पे आई हूँ। तो मुझे लगता है कि इसको हमने बरकरार रखना चाहिए, उनके साथ लगातार बात और उनको धैर्य भी देना चाहिए।
पुलिस एक्शन के बारे में क्या-क्या सुने आपने?
आज उन्होंने बहुत कुछ कहा है कि पुलिस ने उनकी मदद नहीं करी है, पर ऐसी अनेक चीज़ें वो बता रही है। मुझे लगता है कि हमने उनको बात करने के लिए समय देना चाहिए और थोड़ा सा उनको खुद को भी संवरने के लिए हमने समय देना चाहिए, पर हम लगातार हम उनके साथ रहेंगे। हमारी देश की ये बेटियां है, हमारे देश की ये महिला है और इस देश में सिर्फ हमेशा महिलाओं का सम्मान और सम्मान ही हुआ है। यहाँ पे ऐसा कोई धमकियां देके हुए काम नहीं चलेगा।
A tense calm continues to prevail in parts of West Bengal, particularly in Murshidabad, and their Governor C.V. Anand Bose on ground zero assessing the situation post the riots that broke out recently. We also have NCW chairperson visiting the violence-hit areas of Bangladesh. Governor Bose met the families of Horogobind Das and Chandan Das, who were brutally killed in Shamsherganj, Jafrabad areas. A chilling reminder of how deep the violence has cut into the lives of ordinary citizens in West Bengal. Remember, thousands were forced to flee Murshidabad, saying that there is no one who could listen to their plight.